Hey guys, welcome back to HelloVSTV. Today we are taking a look at the Hbada E3 Pro 2026 new edition ergonomic chair. Right out of the box, the packaging feels premium and very well organized. Everything is cleanly separated, protected, and nothing feels cheap here. You can immediately tell this is positioned as a high-end ergonomic chair. Inside the box you get all the main components: the base, backrest, seat, armrests, and headrest, all designed with a modern, minimal aesthetic. The materials already feel premium, especially the metal base and the mesh finish. This is not your typical office chair design. It already looks more like something built for long hours of professional work, editing, or studio sessions. The biggest highlight of the Hbada E3 Pro 2026 new edition is something they call the 3-zone elastic lumbar support, which is actually one of the main innovations of this chair. What does it mean? The chair does not just support your lower back in one spot. It actually wraps around your lumbar area with multiple sections that move and adapt with your body. So when you lean forward, sit upright, or recline, the support adjusts with you instead of staying fixed. That's something you usually don't have in regular chairs. Another nice feature is the 4D dual axis headrest. You can adjust height, angle, and depth, and it really helps reduce neck tension, especially if you spend hours on editing, mixing, or working on a computer. Then we have one of the most unique parts, the 720-degree omni-mechanical armrests. These armrests move in multiple directions, almost like human arms. Whether you are typing or leaning back, they adjust naturally to your position. The seat itself uses what they call cloud mesh technology. This is a breathable mesh that distributes pressure more evenly and prevents that sinking feeling over time. So even during long sessions, it stays comfortable and supportive. And for flexibility, the chair reclines up to 140 degrees with multiple lock positions. So you can go from focused work mode to a more relaxed position very easily. Overall, as I mentioned, the Hbada E3 Pro 2026 new edition feels like a chair designed for people who spend serious time sitting, whether that's editing, producing, or working long hours. It's not just about comfort, it's about how the chair adapts to your body and movement throughout the day. So if you are interested on this product, feel free to learn more by clicking the link in the description below. That's it for today's review. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.